We're going to be taking a look at this 3D printer stand that was sent over to me to check out and make this video. Let's jump right into it. So let's start off with the packaging and the assembly. So it comes very well packaged. There is some assembly required. If you've ever put together IKEA furniture, you'll be able to put this together. They say about 25 minutes for installation, and I say that's right about the exact amount of time it took me. So it comes with a very easy to follow 12-step assembly guide. Here's the look at the different stages of assembly. Again, if you've ever put together a piece of IKEA furniture, you can do this here, no problem. This is a very spacious desk, as you can see. It's 36 wide, 23.5 deep. I've got an Ender 3 V3 sitting on top of here. I've got my Filament side mounted. As you can see, there's plenty of enough room there for a laptop or a filament dryer if you wanted to put something off to the side, but lots of space. Down below, you've got room for up to 56 rolls of filament. I'm just now getting into 3D printing, so I don't have a lot of different varieties yet, but as you can see, the spools fit perfectly. Even the little spools will fit on those middle racks back there. So everything is nicely made. This here is tubular steel, so pretty sturdy. The top is made out of a particle board, but it's solid. The drawer, very nicely sized drawer there for all of your tools and accessories that you may have. The rollers roll smoothly, doesn't make a lot of noise. So all in all, guys, it's a really nice desk. The feet are adjustable, so if you have an uneven surface, you can screw those. All 4 feet do screw, so you can level out the desk if you needed to do that. All in all, just a really nice desk, guys. So if you guys are looking for a 3D printer desk with the filament storage rack for yourself, I highly recommend this here. Hope this helps.